When we receive a MEP model from designers, there will be ducts, mechanical pipes, fire pipes, sanitary pipes, domestic pipes, etc., etc. But if we are a duct contractor, we need to prepare the shop drawing of duct only. In order to reduce the file size, we need to delete all other trades. Today I would like introduce a new DYNAMO which will help us to delete all unnecessary systems from the model in a single click. User can select multiple systems and click on delete. All the selected systems will delete. These green ducts are exhaust ducts. Now I will select only exhaust ducts. Click on delete. As we can see, all exhaust ducts deleted. Now I will select multiple systems. For example, hydronic supply and return pipes. See, all hydronic supply and return pipes are deleted.